Welcome. We are continuing with tutorial mastering Godot, and in this lecture we will talking about transform 2D, that is property. Here transform 2D, we will use this variant with rotation and position. Rotation and position are explained in one of previous videos. And we will use this transform 2D and also set transform for nodes. With this we can set rotation and position of object in 2D space with one variable and three parameters. Parameters are rotation in radians and vector2 variable with x and epsilon, part of 2D space. For example, I set one transform 2D variable and I use set transform to change rotation and position of object self. In our situation this is node 2D. If you start your application with one sprite, you will have rotation and movement. For this example, position of a node 2D and all other nodes can be 0, 0, just reset position, and then we will work on settings this position properly. So let's continue with coding. We will try to set few parameters. This will be integer d, x and epsilon, and we will use function on timer timeout from previous code. So you need to have timer, and wait time can be changed, but for now it's okay. Auto start must be active, and with timeout, as you know from previous videos, you set connection and get this function on timer timeout. So whenever timer is on timeout, transform will use these variables, so changeable values, and we can do some simple changes with this. For example, we can influence this parameter x. On every timeout, x will be increased by 1. And timeout is very speed, so 0.01. This will be a little bit fast. Maybe yes, maybe no. Nothing happens, great. And with this variable of the x is increased on every timeout. I think it's very good to see with a label what is happening. We will only write this variable, and label have good position. You can move label with this move mode. Just click on W and you can move it on a screen. So let us see what's going on. We have some information. Evaluate set index text on base label with value of type integer. So we have integer here, and we need to set text. Every text is string variable, and we need to do something here. We will use str, which means convert to string. And with a string conversion, we have movement. And now we can use this parameter with a self-set transform somewhere here, and we will get movement on the screen, as you see here. To better see data, we can change a little bit this variable to better see what's going on, and this is it. Okay, let's move this label here. So on every timeout we have some change. I will use label and alignment for horizontal to set it on center alignment, because I'm a little bit of perfectionist. Okay. We will continue with this example in next lecture. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.